Supra is back in. What are we doing?
Putting your resonator on.
Last time I was in, we did an AWE tuning catback with a non-resonator setup. The non-resonator version is a little too raspy for the client, so we're gonna switch that out to the resonator version of this, so hopefully it won't be so raspy. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, the matte textured bronze HF5s look really freaking good. I like it a lot. Ah, so there we go. The resonator. So we're done with the installation of the new exhaust setup. Are you ready, son?
It's definitely deeper. Yeah,
It's deeper for sure.
And even the cold start is quieter. Yeah.
Oh, that sounds so good.
Like it kind of sounded congested inside the car before, if that makes sense, but now it's just like, it sounds good. Yeah, that raspiness is gone. And I think it is nice that it's not quite as loud. Yeah.
Definitely recommend the resonated version over the non-resonated. It's a little bit quieter, but the tone is so much better. Highly recommended.